The SimpliSafe smoke and carbon monoxide detector is easy to install in minutes. Just follow the steps in this video and it'll be ready to go. First, make sure you have all the necessary parts that should be included in the box. You should have the detector itself with the mounting bracket, 2 screws, and wall anchors. Read the owner's manual before installing and using this detector. Also note that this detector requires you to have the latest SimpliSafe system in order to work properly. Okay, now open the latest version of the SimpliSafe app. Go to Menu, My System, then Device Settings. Here, click the plus sign to add a new device. Now, on the detector, pull out the battery tab. Then press and quickly release the setup button. You should hear the base station say,
Smoke and carbon monoxide detector added.
Next, remove the mounting bracket from the detector by twisting counterclockwise. For the actual installation, you'll need a stool or a stepladder. Safely climb up and hold the mounting bracket on the ceiling and make 2 marks with a pencil. Then pre-drill 2 holes into the ceiling using a 1/4-inch drill bit and insert the included wall anchors. Place the mounting bracket against the ceiling and use a handheld screwdriver to screw in the anchors. Next, snap the detector into the mounting bracket by rotating clockwise. If you're mounting the detector on a wall, choose a spot 4 to 12 inches below the ceiling and follow the previous instructions. Now that the detector is in place, return to the SimpliSafe app to create a name for the detector. The app will notify you when it has been installed successfully by telling you it is ready to detect. That's it. You're done. And your SimpliSafe smoke and carbon monoxide detector is ready to protect you. For more information, visit the address on the screen.